welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, nawala na naman ako sa aking ano tawag dito? Consistency dahil akala ko magiging okay yung every off ko, sunod-sunod ako mag-film. But it's kind of hard to balance my social life, work life, filming life, YouTube life, and all of that. Pero as much as possible, I'm trying to do my best na mag-film pa din for you guys. So anyway, we'll be doing a video about this look right here, and if you can see or if you notice, I've been following Elisse Joson, Elisse Joson, quite a while now after her PBB days dahil sobrang gandang-ganda ako sa kanya, OMG. And I think this look is a bit, or hindi ko sure pero I think this look is the trend right now. Ewan ko, nagustuhan ko to nung nakita ko talaga sa mga Instagram posts niya. Goddess talaga yung itsura niya. And I think nga nung as time goes by, napapansin ko na marami din gumagawa ng look na to. Not just the artist, but my fellow YouTubers as well. So for this video, I'll be doing this look, and ito yung pinagayahan kong picture actually. Wait lang. Ito yung ginaya ko sa, ito yung nakita kong pictures ni Elisse sa IG niya. Gusto kong gayahin yung look. I've saved this on my phone for quite a while now. Naghanap na talaga ako ng tiyempo makapag-video. So anyway, I'll be posting the pictures dyan sa screen nyo. And pero if ever, ito yung isa sa mga pictures na pinagayahan natin. So that one and this one. Ganda niya, diba? Yan. So, nag-mix and match ako for both the pictures kasi as you can see in this picture, wala siyang eyeliner, but in this one, meron. So, yan. So, for this, medyo minimalist yung itsura nung look. It's more on the highlighter, more on the, ang tawag dito, freshness ng face and all that. So, I love it. It's very easy. Nag-struggle lang ako ng konti dun sa shadow kasi I don't have this rose gold orangey shade or undertone na eyeshadow. Kaya ayun, I had to mix and match some of the colors sa palettes ko. But, see, as you can see right now, kahit pa paano, na-achieve ko ng very slight yung shadow. Hindi lang siya masyadong orangey, but, you know, the look is more about using one shadow. And, medyo less hassle yung look na to. So, I think that's the goal of this look. Looking fresh and young and youthful without using too much shadow, diba? So, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry, I've been babbling too much, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! And so, I've started with my base. Yan, foundation, concealer, and eyebrows. Yun pa lang yung nagagawa ko as of now, because I don't want this video to be long. Alam niyo naman, diba? So, sobrang dagal ko. Mahaba yung video. I just have my foundation, my eyebrows, and my, what's this? Human Nature Cherry. This is a lip balm, I think. Yeah, natural na lip balm lang. And if you're curious, ito siya. Yan siya. Yung itsura niya. So, anyway, proceeding, so magsa-start tayo with the shadow. And, by the way, yan. Ipopop up ko yung picture right in the screen, if ever. Ayan, so I'll be using two palettes for this look. And, unang gagamitin ko, this is an oldie but goodie palette. I think this was my mom's palette way back pa. And sobrang sira-sira na siya, but it's still working for me. And I love the colors. This is the Charles V Cosmetics Beauty Ensemble palette. Ayan. See, medyo sira-sira na siya. Pero I love it because it has the orange undertones for some colors. Kaya, yan ang isa sa mga gagamitin ko. Actually, minsan ko lang siyang gamitin since I have other palettes to use naman. And gusto ko lang siya kasi may pagka-sentimental siya sa akin. And yeah, aside from that, I'll be using this palette as well. This palette is from Dollface Cosmetics. Yan. So, let's start with the lighter one. Yes, I'll use this color, yeah, this one, medyo shimmery shade siya, and mixing it with this one. Actually, itong look na to, parang isang eyeshadow lang yung gamit. Hindi na siya gumamit ng masyadong makukulay, or hindi na siya nag-blend out or what. Talagang parang isang shadow lang yung gamit. I'm mixing it with a little red para magmukhang vibrant yung pagka-orange niya. Itong red yung ginagamit ko. Magdidip lang ako ng konti. Then, babalik ako dun sa colors na ginagamit ko. I'm liking it. Mag-form lang tayo ng maliit na V dun sa shadow. Like dito. Like what I see sa picture. After that, papaabutin lang natin siya dito sa under eyes ng very, very slight. Same colors lang din yung gagamitin natin. So, after the base, ayan, makikita natin sa picture na medyo shiny. May pagka-shiny or glittery yung eyeshadow niya. Let's try this one from the BYS Contour and Highlighting Kit. This one is the highlight. Ito, medyo may pagka-rose gold siya. We'll see kung magiging okay siya. There you go. Yan. So, I'm good with that. Lagay din tayo ng konti sa ilalim. Let's first dust off lahat ng fall off or excess wala sa shadow. Then, proceeding tayo sa eyeliner. Pero dito, ang eyeliner na gagamitin natin is not that black. Hindi siya jet black gel liner. Regular black pencil liner would do. Obviously siya guys, hindi siya gumamit ng kahit anong falsies. I think, let's see. Well, if ever hindi kasing ganda ng kanya ang ating kalalabasan, may option naman tayong gumamit ng false lashes. So first, syempre mag-curl muna tayo ng ating lashes. Then, mascara. And for the mascara, I'm using this Voluminous Million Lashes. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Voluminous Million Lashes by... This is by, I think this is from L'Oreal. L'Oreal or... I have no idea. L'Oreal lang siya or Revlon. So, for next one, contour. And I'll be using my also favorite, my favorite contour. This is the BYS Contour and Highlight Kit in Goddess. I'll be using this one, mixing it a little with this one. Medyo matapang kasi yung color na yun. Wondering kung nasan yung stick nito, natanggal siya. Kasi sobrang ride or die ko tong brush na to. It's like yung contour ni Elisse. And di siya masyadong mabot sa cheek area. Nandito lang siya sa side na to. Pataas. Temples, huwag nakalimutan. Using this Frat Boy by the Balm na blush. Ito yung shade niya or yung color niya. And mixing it with this one. Ito, dun sa same palette na ginamit natin for contour. So, yan. Medyo pale. May pagka-pale siya ng very, very slight. For the last part, not yet, pala, second to the last part, is highlight. And for that, I'll be using the same highlight dun sa BYS Cosmetics. This one. And gamitin natin siya ng fan brush. Medyo severe. May pagka-severe yung highlight na ginamit niya. From here, going up. Hindi natin ito. Ayan na ha. Basang-basa na ako sa highlight. There! We're closer to the end. Okay. Last step! last step is the lips. And for her lips, ginamit niya lang is nude na lip gloss. If ever may payoff yung lip gloss, nude na lip gloss. And if ever wala, I think she used a lipstick tapos pinatungan na lang ng gloss. So for me, since I have this gloss na may color payoff and may pagka-nude siya, this one is from Color Combos. Smoothie lip gloss in number 2. This is I bought this from Hong Kong and I really love this gloss. Sobra. Trivia lang, ito yung pinaka-hate yung lipstick na ginamit ko. This is the one I use sa Divisoria haul ko na medyo maraming views. Ang daming nagreklamo dun sa lips, but I don't care. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do click the thumbs up button right below this video, and also please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet. Also, please do follow my social media accounts, specifically my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!